Hello, in this video we'll show you what could be one of the causes if you have a problem with the Datalink connector on your Mercedes E-Class W212. One of the causes could be a blown fuse, so here in the video we'll show you the location of the fuses for the Datalink connector. Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'll show you how to test the fuses, if they're good or bad. I'll show you how to test the fuses using a multimeter and a test light. First I'll show you how to test the fuses with the test light. For this purpose we need to turn the ignition on. This is the test light that I'm using. We need to attach the cable of the test light to battery negative or somewhere on chassis ground. Then we're going to start testing the fuses with the test light. On the fuses there is two pins, you can see them right there before the 30 and after the 30. There's two pins where we touch them with the test light, and if both pins light up, that means the fuse is good. If only one pin lights up, that means the fuse is bad. Sometimes none of the pins light up, that means that there is no power going to that fuse. Next I'll show you how to test the fuses with a multimeter. This is what the fuse looks like. You can see that contact in the middle that is connecting to the two pins. This is the contact that shows if the fuse is good or bad. If the contact is burnt, that means the fuse is bad. If it's if it's connected, that means it's good. When we test the fuses, we should measure resistance with the multimeter. So when we turn the multimeter on, we should turn it to 20k ohms. When measuring the fuses, the resistance should be very close to zero. We'll start now testing each fuse. First, we'll touch both cables together of the multimeter just to see if it measures resistance. You can see there is no resistance in the cables, but it measures 0 ohms. Now we'll start measuring the first fuse, and we'll see what will show. It's showing 0 ohms, so that means this fuse is good. Next to test the second fuse, it's showing 0 ohms, so that means that fuse is good. Now we'll test the third fuse. Third fuse is also showing 0 ohms, so that means that fuse is also good. Next we'll test the fourth fuse, and it doesn't show 0 ohms, it says 0L, which means open circuit. That means that fuse should be bad. Now we'll see what the condition of the fuse is visually. We can see that contact in the middle that's connecting to the two pins is broken, so that's why it's showing open circuit. That means the fuse is bad, so it needs to be replaced. Next I'll show you the location of all the main fuse boxes on this Mercedes E-Class W212. There is one fuse box in the engine bay area, and it's located right there, just underneath this cover. You need to lift this cover, and then you see the fuse box underneath, and that's the fuse box right there. Next I'll show the location of the other fuse box on this Mercedes E-Class. It's located in the load area, and it's just behind this panel, and that's the fuse box right there. Next I'll show you a diagram of the two fuse boxes. One of the fuse boxes is in the engine bay area, and the other one is in the load area. Next we'll show you the location of the fuses for the Datalink connector on this Mercedes E-Class W212. There's two fuses, and they're located in the engine bay and load area fuse box, and the fuse in the engine bay is F16. Next we'll show you the location of the fuse in the load area fuse box, and the fuse there is F73. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.